Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
In the spare bedroom, there's a rattan carpet going down.
Wow.
Come in, Sally.
Thank you.
This is lovely, this stuff, isn't it?
Oh, it looks absolutely just the way I wanted it to.
It's gorgeous.
And the good thing about this is it's so hard wearing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So when I'm thinking about a dual purpose room, a spare room, plus maybe a kiddie's room, this is the ideal thing.
It's a bit rough under the feet though, isn't it?
No, it's lovely. Do you think?
Have a feel and have a rub and be honest.
If I'm okay, I see where you're coming from, but it's hard wearing. You've got to admit it's hard wearing.
It's very hard wearing.
You can always
The
put
soles
a
of
rug.
those feet.
I just see it as an exfoliator.
No, it is. It actually looks beautiful and it's perfect.
It
like that
goes,
wallpaper.
yeah, it goes really well.
It is lovely.
And I just really wanted to reflect some of what's going outside with the fields and the corn and the fresh air and nature, and it just gives it that really natural look.
Yeah. No, very, very nice. Right, let's shoot into the office. Okay, Sally. Right.
Yep, that's the cover for futon.
Lovely.
So the important thing about this room is it's being used for two different things. So you've got the futon to be used as a chair and a bed,
Yeah.
and you've got the dual-purpose office furniture as well. So you can use it as storage and as the office during the day.
Okay, lovely. Now, what's this here? This board thing?
Oh, that's really lovely. It's one of my favourite things from Sheer Homes. It's a wall hanging.
Yeah.
And I'm literally going to put it right above the fireplace.
Oh, that's nice.
And I know it's quite big, and you might think it was too big to go in that space, but you can mess around with the proportions in a room. Sometimes using something bigger can actually give the illusion of more space.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
I think it goes well with the green.
I love it. I think it's really nice and fresh, and I love this. I love your PC thing.
Yeah, and obviously
PC
the matching
cabinet.
chair.
Yeah. Very,
So
very
we've
nice.
gone for this kind of Eastern flavour,
It is,
so
isn't
it
it?
should
Yeah.
look good.
Lovely. Okay, well, let's go into the bathroom.
Oh yeah,
See how
the
towel pink's
bathroom.
doing. Okay. Now, that's good going. Look at that. We are 10 minutes into the second half, so we're 14 minutes into the makeover. And Anne,
Yeah.
you've done a fabulous job.
I'm trying to do a balancing act here.
You've
Oh,
done
that
really,
looks
really well. So I
better.
said get Anne in. She'll sort it out, and you've done a great job.
Absolutely.
You must be relieved.
I am so relieved. I can't
Yeah.
tell you. It looked so patchy, but now it's great.
It's lovely, isn't it?
And we're getting the accessories in, so you can really see the flavour of what I'm trying
See,
to do.
this stuff is gorgeous. Look at this mirror.
It's all real
Where's this
driftwood.
from?
It's from a place called driftwoods.com.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, absolutely. And you can have it made bespoke to any size.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's all
really
real.
beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it is quite a surfy feel, quite an ocean feel in
Yeah,
here, isn't
yeah,
it?
really kind of things that you'd find washed up on the beach.
Yeah.
Something really relaxing.
So I'm looking forward to seeing your loose seat going in.
I'll change your mind about that, I promise.
Okay. So Anna, you're quite confident this is going to get finished and it's going to be all right?
Yeah, it's going to be fine, Claire.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, well done everyone.
Go. Forgot about the doors. How are you getting on?
Oh, finished.
Oh, they look fantastic. Oh, I'm really thrilled. Okay, where's the rest of the cabinet? We need to get them on quick.
Okay, take one each, then run around. shall
Yeah,
we?
okay, you show me
Okay,
the way.
let's go.
Is it much further?
Only around here.
Right, you sure you know how to put these on?
Yeah, I'll put them on. Don't worry about that.
So this is a beautiful piece, £2,400, very expensive. Now, it's got a cheeky little slide on it, see? Now, I can't work out what the slide is for exactly, but it looks very nice because you've got your drawer here that comes out, and then but there is a little space at the back, so I presume it's some sort of little hiding place, or if you want to keep candles in there or anything. It's a beautiful piece.
Okay, Martin, as much as I'd like to stay here and help, here are the rest of your screws.
Can you put them on there for me?
I have to go and help someone else. Good luck.
All right. Right, just hold that, mate. Hold it right.
How are we getting on? Ah, the loose seat's on. Excellent. And the toilet roll holder, I love it. Fantastic. One slight thing that's crossing my mind. What's the driftwood mirror doing up there? No one's going to be able to see in it, are they?
Martin's fiance is actually 6'9", so it shouldn't be a problem.
Okay, as long as you're sure.
Yeah.
Okay then, no.
We've got a step ladder for them to stand on.
Excellent, excellent. That really come in handy.
Okay.
No, it needs to come down.
Where do you want it?
It has to be here, so it's like a dressing table.
Okay.
Sorry.
Have we got lots of dressings for in here?
Yeah.
They're all next in the kitchen.
Okay, I'll start dressing. Should we still do some dressing, Sally, between
Yeah,
us?
yeah,
Get it
sure.
spruced up, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, in the kitchen, right.
These look gorgeous. Susie, when you finish that, my love, could I put these on that space there? Thank you.
Okay, so the cushion's going to spruce up this sofa.
Yeah,
Coloured
it's a
cushions.
really, really nice sofa, but we need to shut lots of colour at it to tie it in with the rest
That's
of the room.
what we need to do, don't we?
Are you following everybody?
Okay, we have 3 minutes, team.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
That's taking up far too much space. I think the back bit and this bit need to go together like a sandwich. And I know that the futon actual mattress is quite bulky, but I'm not sure. I think it might need to fold under itself like that and then flip over.
I don't think that it does if you have a look underneath, because this is where the legs are.
Ah.
And this is the, it can go tighter to
Maybe we can just get it tighter to the wall.
definitely it can do that as well.
Ah, that's better. It's just sitting up already. That's great. Yep, that's much better. Okay, oh, the wall hanging looks absolutely fabulous. Well done, everyone. Oh, fantastic. The window looks brilliant. Well done.
It looks lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm really pleased because I wanted to make the most of this beautiful view. So we've got the blind for night time so everyone gets a really good night's sleep. And then we've got these curtains that just set it off all perfectly. Oh, good. I'm so excited. It looks really, really nice. No, these plants are in the wrong place.
What are these? Where are they going?
Yeah, I am.
Don't know, they might be just surface to requirements, so.
Excuse me, plant coming through.
Shelter.
Wow, this is looking great. That's what we like to see. Oh, good, the house plants. It's really important we have house plants in the office. They're very good for you, make everyone feel happy. And so we're loving that. Well done. Brilliant, thanks guys. The good thing about screens is they completely divide your space and they can be relatively inexpensive and you can paint them to match any colour in your room. They also create kind of fourth wall.
Here, it's used to separate the lounge and kitchen.
Okay, that's 20 seconds, everyone. That's 20 seconds. Okay, LT. Sally. 20 seconds
Okay,
left.
quickly, we need to fold up. That's it, roll the towels and then we can put them up in here.
Okay, that's 10, 9, 8, 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, team, that's the makeover finished. Well done, Anne. You're all right. She's in shock. Look at her. Oh.